Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And as you can see here, after creating database, now we are moving to the next part to create our backend server. So to create our backend server, it will help us to communicate with database through APIs and sending data there to the database using the backend server. So let us see how we can set up our backend server. So to set up our backend server, I have created a tutorial here. This is a folder that I have created, a tutorial folder here. So go back to your desktop and create a folder there. Then after creating a folder there, drag and drop it to your code editor, your preferred code editor. For me, I'm using Visual Studio Code. And the prerequisite of taking this course is you should download Golang. You should download your best text editor. For me, I would recommend you to use Visual Studio Code. You should download and install PostgreSQL in your laptop. So after dragging and dropping the tutorial folder here, I have created another folder here known as Backend. So this Backend will be carrying our Backend server code. So then I have cd to Backend so that you can now create our project. So to get started with the project, for those who want to learn more about Go and Golang, please, I'd like to show you the framework. The framework that I'm using is called Go Fiber. Let me share the link. Let me show you so that maybe you can go ahead and check more about Go Fiber. So this is a framework that I'll be using for this project, as you can see here. And this framework is user friendly. If you are coming from I don't know JS, it is similar to Express.js. The way we call APIs, the way the boilerplate for Express.js is similar here to uh, uh, Fiverr framework. So if you want to learn more about why I'm using Fiverr, uh, you can come to this page, gofiverr.io, and check more about it. It is the first framework for Golang, which uh, it is designed to ease things up for fast development with zero memory allocation and performance in mind. So that one is why I'm using this Fiverr framework. So let us set up our backend server now. I will leave the link below. So setting up my backend server, as you can see, I'll have to check my version of Golang, Go version. So after installing Golang, we'll come and check our Go version is 1.22 the time of recording this video. And for you to download and install Golang, let me share with you their official website as well. This is their official website for downloading Golang. As you can see now, we are in 1.23. That means I'll have to update my version as well. And you can see the installation is very simple. You download, then you configure the Golang path in your environment variables. It is simple. And if it is very hard for you, please go to YouTube and search on how to install Golang. I'm not going to cover that because it is a simple part for someone like you. Okay, please make sure that you subscribe and share this video. Then I'll have to leave this link below my video in the description part for you to get the link, the official link there. So getting started to create our backend server, we have to initialize our modules. And to initialize our module, we start by go mod init. Then we can also target our repository username or my GitHub username. Okay, for the purpose of helping other developers to use our dependencies if they want to use our project in future. So to get started, we start by go mod init. Then we can now, after go born init, we can see GitHub, then my username, and then the name of the project. Okay, so go mod init GitHub, then slash, my username is Michael Kid here, and I would like to show you my, as you can see, this is my GitHub username here, Michael Kid. So I love to take this Michael Kid there in my setup for Backend, then I slash the name of the project. Okay, so with that, you can come here and follow me. I'll follow you back. This is my profile for the GitHub, and this is where I'll have to post that project. So I'll have to leave the link below my video in the description section so that you can clone this project and learn more about backend server setup and how to understand Go Fiber framework. Okay, so as you can see here now, then the name of the project, I can say this is Go Backend. I can say Go Backend like that, and then I click OK. So when I click OK, I expect to see Go mod file here created, as you can see 1.22. Then this is where now our dependencies will be installed. This is a file that it will be helping other developers to understand which dependencies they should install for our application. So for this, let us start by writing a hello world in Go Fiber framework. So remember, I shared with you the official framework website, so the link I'll have to leave it below my video in the description section. So to set up our hello world, we have to create a new file here called main.go, and this main.go, we can come here to the official. So I'll come back to this Fiber framework website and then copy this code here. After copying this code, slowly I have come to my setup here. This is my setup. Then I copy this code here. But remember, we have this import of Go Fiber module here. We have to go get this module so that it will help us to run the Fiber framework. So is go get, and I'll have to copy this one and paste it there. Click OK, and I expect to see these modules now installed to this part here. Okay, so as we wait for that Fiber to be added to our Go mod, as you can see, we have added the dependencies here. So I can clear my terminal. After clearing my terminal, now I can try to go run main.go to check if our Fiber is running on the server. So go run main.go. Okay, go run main.go. We expect to see our hello world API in our first. As you can see, it is now running. We can allow there. So after allowing there, it will give us, let me allow this one. Then I can now control and then follow this link. So by following this link, you can see we have hello world here. So we can say that we have done the setup of Go Fiber of writing hello world. So we are going to start now writing our code on configuring the setup for Postgres, and now implementing the routes, the controllers, and the unit test to check if everything is working. So make sure that you subscribe and share this video for more tutorials like this. Remember, this is a continuation of other videos, so please make sure that you watch other videos so that you can be updated. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.